Hello everyone. So in today's video I want to show you an issue that was giving me some problems on one of my ProxMox servers, and it is this error. Is not an error, it's just an information. So received packet on XX means the interface with own address as the MAC address. So I did find online an article on the ProxMox knowledge base articles, and yeah, someone had an duplicate MAC, and when he changed the MAC of one of the devices, then this issue was gone. And yeah, another option was to check if I have a loop in my network. I do not have a loop in my network because I have a very small network, and I've checked everything. And yeah, I will show you the issue, so I can reproduce the problem, and after we check it out, then I will show you what was the solution and what was causing this warning. It does not affect the VMs on the ProxMox. It just makes managing the ProxMox impossible. So after 10 minutes or so, you cannot you can no longer connect to the web interface, and also via command line it's very difficult to do anything. So let me try to reproduce the issue. I have here something here, 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so we should start to see the issue in a couple of seconds. Oh, here it is. So as you can see, we have this warning, and it makes managing the ProxMox server very difficult. Yeah, I had to search for the reason for about 2 hours, because I didn't know what the problem is, and after some time I found out that one of my other ProxMox hosts was generating this issue, and it did not have the same MAC address. So I have multiple ProxMox hosts, and this one is a small Lenovo ThinkCenter. So it's very old. I don't know, I believe it's at least 6 years old or even more. And I have configured it so that I can power it on via Wake on LAN magic packets. And if this mini PC completely loses power, and it doesn't get turned on again after he recovers from the power failure. So when the electricity is back, then the network card is waiting. So the network card is listening for Wake on LAN packets, but it has so little power that if my other ProxMox servers send a broadcast message in the network, it simply sends the same packet back with the same MAC address. So it's like a mirror. So it doesn't it has a malfunction, obviously. Nevertheless, This is what I have discovered in my home lab, and maybe you also have in some of your networks this issue, because a lot of us are using this type of mini computers to build their home labs. And yeah, this was the issue for me. And now, as you can see, I no longer can manage this ProxMox server because it sends so many replies with that warning that managing it is impossible. So the VMs, as I've seen, are not affected, but the management part of this ProxMox server is heavily affected. So you cannot work. The solution is to just power on. I will just power on this this other ProxMox server. 1 second. It needs a couple of minutes to power on, and the issue will be gone in a minute or so. So here we can see that it received a lot of messages, and once the mini computer is powered on and it has the network card has sufficient power to operate in normal conditions, then this issue goes away. And the solution to be able to keep it powered off and still be able to power it on via wake on LAN is just to shut it down normally. So I will do that, but let me first see if it's online. It should be. Test connection, okay. Update node. Okay, so now it's online. I can turn it off. So here, as you can see, the issue is gone. So now I can also navigate and do everything I need. And after I powered it off, shut it down, so shut down, I will not have this issue unless the mini PC loses power again. So if I unplug it, then when I reconnect it to power, then it doesn't fully start. So the network card doesn't fully initialize, and because it doesn't fully initialize, every packet that is broadcasted in the network, it's replied by it in a mirror. So if it receives a packet from this ProxMox server, it will reply with the same MAC address, and this is what caused the issue in my environment. So yeah, this was all for this video. In case you have the same issues and yeah, you do not have a loop in a network, or you do not have a duplicate MAC and you do not know how to solve it, just start to unplug every device from the network and then plug it back in to see which one causes the issue. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you liked this type of video.